before you get started, click on subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Today I'm going to open the slime. These are my mom's sharp scissors. She's my partner and she's going to help me. We got paint. And this is messy, but it's okay because we have something underneath here. Activator. More activator. And then we have a thing. I don't know what this is, but we'll find out. We have the mix thing that you can mix it with, like a blender. And then we got this. What's this? I don't know, but we'll find out. And then we have, I think these are for playing it and saving it for later. More supplies. Stickers. And then we got kind of looks like an alien. Beads. Instructions. You need instructions?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Do you know how to read?
Of course, I know. Okay. These are weird instructions. I think I got this. Stickers. I think these are decorations. I'm gonna put a sticker right there.
Are you supposed to put those on later?
Oh yeah. What's step one? We're gonna open the colors, the beads. You kind of got on the colors. There's beads everywhere. You're tiny. You need to get back where you were. This is the clear glue that we're gonna use today. I'm kind of pretty good, you know, at making slime. I'm actually not spilling. And mix. You always need activator for your slime because that's very important, guys. Blender. So I'm just gonna keep blending it, and then once it's done and turning into slime, it's gonna be slimy. I think it's slime already. Keep mixing. Whoa, oh, what's so gooey in there?
And all this slime is supposed to come out. Look, Amorah.
I like this slime, but it's disgusting, but it's fun. Play with it. And so sticky.
That looks like snot.
It does look like that. You guys should like try it at home because it's pretty fun to play with, but it's disgusting. Spider-Man. I like baking slime, you and me. I like baking slime, you and me. I'm gonna use blue glitter. Okay. It's actually really fun. So you guys, pink and blue makes purple. And brown makes and a star. So stretchy. Oopsies. It's okay. Just boop. And done. Oh my god. Glitter. Glitter. I'm gonna make more. I'm gonna come with this one. This is stretchy.
You want to make more?
Okay. Here's the first lid. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to keep making more slime. This is going to take forever, so thanks for watching.